Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by connecting the iPhone. Plug a reliable Lightning or USB-C cable into your computer and your phone. You must unlock the device and tap Trust because the connection is blocked until you authorize it. On Windows, open iTunes or the Photos Import tool. On Mac OS, open Finder for Catalina and later or Photos. Once done, make sure the phone stays unlocked briefly so the computer can enumerate the device and present your photo library. Now you import. In Photos, click Import, select specific photos, or choose Import All to grab new items. This preserves albums in many cases. In Finder or iTunes, you can browse the device and copy the DSIM folder directly to a local folder if you want raw files. If you prefer wireless access, enable iCloud Photos on the phone and the computer with the same Apple ID, then wait for sync. This avoids cables, but requires adequate iCloud storage. Complete the process by moving imported photos into organized folders and making a backup to an external drive or cloud service. This prevents loss if something later fails. If images are high and you need JPEG, use the Photos app or conversion tools during import to ensure compatibility. If you run into problems, try the simplest fixes first. Restart the phone and computer, update iOS and your operating system. Test a different cable or USB port. This often resolves connection or transfer errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.